This video is my third flight with the Mavic Mini. The purpose being to try out quick shots, the droney and the circle. Flight parameters, everything looks pretty good. Sky Vector said this is a safe area. Visual line of sight was maintained. BLM land, max altitude 120, distance 600 feet. At takeoff, there is a small gully or channel ahead that I wanted to explore. As you may recall, the purpose of purchasing the drone was to use it when out in the middle of nowhere and wanting to be aware of my surroundings. This is the gully coming up right now. And as you can see, if there was something in there hiding, lurking, out to grab you, you could see it and be aware of potential danger. Then looking around, one can see the campsite and the surrounding desert. If there was anything out there of a reasonable size, it would be picked up. This is another view of the gully or depression. I want to bring the Mini back towards base camp and then get a panoramic view of what lies around base camp. From here, anything coming up the dirt road would be detected. Anything as far away as the road going up that hill in the distance or the dry lake below is visible. So for approximately a mile or two around what would be base camp is clearly observable. No sizable object could be missed in this view. Next up, I wanted to work with approaching an object for closer inspection. So we'll take a look at this Joshua tree here and zoom right on in. So anything around or close to the Joshua tree could be detected. If there was a mountain lion resting under there, you would see it. And you would know that this would not be the appropriate place to camp. Now that's close enough. testing the controls, moving up, down, back and forth. I'd wanted to turn around and look at the back of the Joshua tree, but I missed that opportunity. Base camp. This is an example of the droney, whereby the Mini just starts at a certain level and then shoots diagonally away from you. That worked out pretty well, actually. Then I wanted the drone to follow me along the dirt road. And that seemed to work out as well. At this point, my controller said I was out of battery power and I had better land. So I could not do the circle, and decided to manually bring the drone home to its landing pad. So I will have to save the circle maneuver for another video. So I turned the camera down at this point so that I could see the landing pad, and just centered the drone over the landing pad and came in. Successful flight.